Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I'm going to show you something really cool. So I'm going to show you how you can make an XXL hair tie or how you can decorate your existing hair tie. So some of you might think this is maybe a retro or maybe a comeback. So yeah, anyway, I wanted to show you. So it's very easy to do and I use this awesome Zamt wool. So let me show you. It's from the Myboshi company. And I chose this vibrant pink, but you can choose pretty much whatever you like. So we have here 100 grams per 100 meters, and this is out of 100% polyester. So here we see the color number 876, and I think this means sea star. So yeah, the needle size is 5 to 7 millimeters, and I'm using my 5.5. So you see here the inside that I used the spiral hair tie as the basis, and I just did this nice decorative part on top. So another option would be to wear it basically as a bracelet. So I think it looks pretty nice like that too. So yeah, or for your hair. So now I'll make the next one out of a regular hair tie, but I just wanted to show you that both types work just fine. So feel free to use whatever you have in your house. So let's get started. Go through here with your needle. Three chains, so we will start with the trebles. Watch what I do and do the same. So you see I'm working with the beginning thread into the piece so that I don't have to weave that in later. So that's a really cool trick to know. So you see a whole round that I did, but since I want my this half wavy effect, I need to kind of push what I did together and keep working it until I get the amount of waves that I want. So here I am. I think this looks good for now, so I'm pretty satisfied with the results. You could of course do more or less depending on what you want to get. So yeah, let's now pull the thread out and we can hide that then. So before that we need to tie a knot so that it doesn't pull apart when we use it. You can also just tie a knot and cut the ends off or weave them in as you like. So there we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this retro project, and feel free to let me know what you think. You can also shoot us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That way you're gonna stay updated with everything new that I post. So I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to stay tuned for the next video, and until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!